Steel Mama is an influential roll-forming machine supplier in China. This video shows the production process of a high-quality standing seam roll-forming machine. The rollers are made of chrome-plated shafts to extend their service life. This machine works extremely efficiently. Set the length and quantity of the product on the touchscreen. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty. Steel Mama always give you proper solution.